What's up everybody, Looster here. Today we are still on the Liverpool to Manchester via Warrington Central line again for more train spotting. Today here in Greater Warrington in Warrington West. This is the only Warrington station I have not filmed at yet, even though I have tried to do a video here before. It just didn't end up going to plan. But so yeah, I'm back here again for another film here at Warrington West. So then, today here at Warrington West you'll be seeing services by Northern, East Midlands Railway and also Transpennine. The train has just departed as well, a Northern Class 195 and 195133, which will form the 1133 Northern service to Warrington Central from Liverpool Lime Street, which is heading to its next and final stop at Warrington Central, which brought me in from Halewood. Not witness Halewood, as I was just filming there. But yeah, hopefully this station can go to plan in terms of filming this time, and this is the third and final station as the name Warrington, and I've not filmed that yet. But yes, other than that, let's see what other services we shall see here at Warrington West. I shall see you all when the next train comes. Now arriving in is going to be the 1147 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Warrington Central with the return of 195133. One 195133 arrives into Warrington West now again with the 1147 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Warrington Central, and as the return of 195133 arrives in now, as you see is all when this service departs. Now getting ready to depart will be the 1147 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Warrington Central, and then also now arriving in is going to be the 1154 Northern service to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street with a 150 and a 156. So then 15109 is at the front. And I'll catch the 156 unit when this departs. The 195 has departed now for Liverpool Lime Street, and as this now boards, as you see is all when this Northern Class 150 and 156 depart. Now departing is going to be the 1154 Northern service to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street with 15109 and then a 156 at the rear. And then 156409, just a job at the rear with the 1154 Northern service to Manchester Oxford Road from Liverpool Lime Street. And as that Northern Class 150 and 156 heads off to its next stop at Warrington Central, I'm going to admit that off camera a double Transpennine Express Class 185 passed through before the two trains arrived and departed. With that off-camera Transpennine Express Class 185 formed the 1139 Transpennine Express service to Cleethorpes and Liverpool Lime Street. 185117 and 185129 was on it. And I missed it, got it off camera, didn't manage to record it because I got too distracted with posters, would you believe it or not. But yes, anyways, let's not do yapping mode. But as that Northern Class 150 and 156 heads off now, I shall see you all when the next train comes. Passing through. Was 185109. Forming a heavily delayed 1143 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street from Cleethorpes with a singular Class 185. There's 185109. With the heavily delayed 1143 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street from Cleethorpes. And as that passes through Warrington West slowly now, heading to its next stop at Liverpool South Parkway. I shall see you all when the next train comes. Now passing through is going to be the delayed 1202 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Norwich with a doubled up Class 170. Can hear tracks hissing. £174.20. And 175.07 at the rear. With the delayed 1202 East Midlands Railway service to Liverpool Lime Street from Norwich, and as that heads over to its next stop of Widnes, I shall see you all when the next train comes. Now passing through is going to be a double East Midlands Railway Class 158 with the 1214 service to Norwich. One 158.889 and 158.788 with a brilliant two-tone. With the 1214 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich and Liverpool Lime Street, and as that heads over to its next stop at Warrington Central. I shall see you all when the next train comes. Now arriving in is going to be the delayed 1221 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Oxford Road, and another 3-car Class 195, which you don't tend to usually see on these on this particular service. Anyway, 195105 is on this. And it is very busy on there. 3 carriages, what do you expect? Well, it is rammed. Anyways, as this Northern Class 195 arrives into Warrington West now, I shall see you all when this service departs. Now departing is going to be the delayed 1221 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Manchester Oxford Road. And then also now arriving into platform 1 is going to be the 1228 Northern service to Warrington Central from Liverpool Lime Street. 195127 is on this one, and unfortunately we got boycotted. Anyways, as this Northern 195 arrives into Warrington Central now, this will be our final train of today. I shall see you all when this service departs. Now departing is going to be the 1228 Northern service to Warrington Central from Liverpool Lime Street, 195127. 195 departs Warrington West now with the 12:28 Northern service to Warrington Central from Liverpool Line Street, heading to its next and final stop at Warrington Central. And as that it's off now, we shall conclude today's video here at Warrington West. I mean, I had an alright visit. I'm not going to lie, just the day in general, I'm going to say it's been pretty slack. It's not been the best day for train spotting, although hopefully, well, at the time of filming this video, next week I can have a lot more fun, because I'm going on a big train trip, and I mean a big train trip, going out big somewhere. So yeah, it's just probably a warm-up, but a warm-up I was not impressed about today. It just wasn't the best day for train spotting, in my opinion, being pretty slack. But yes, we all have bad days at train spotting. But as for this station, it's a good station. It has lifts, which you don't usually get at some of these stations. So yeah, quite cool. But yeah, I'm not going to get into yapping mode now. But as for me here at Warrington West, I shall see you all in the next one. Peace out.